His recipe for honey-soaked Turkish coffee semolina cake is the perfect dessert for coffee lovers. It combines the rich flavors of Turkish coffee with the sweetness of honey and the nuttiness of semolina. The semolina gives the cake a unique texture while the honey adds a touch of sweetness. This recipe is easy to make and can be enjoyed at any time of the day, as a breakfast or a dessert. Join us as we show you how to make this delicious and aromatic cake that will delight your taste buds. Honey-soaked Turkish coffee semolina cake is a delicious and aromatic dessert that combines the rich flavors of Turkish coffee with the sweetness of honey and the nuttiness of semolina. This recipe is perfect for those who love the bold taste of Turkish coffee and want to enjoy it in a unique and satisfying way. Ingredients: ½ cup semolina flour, ½ cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon baking soda, 2 eggs, ½ cup milk, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon instant Turkish coffee powder, 1/4 cup honey, powdered sugar for dusting. Instructions: 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the semolina flour, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. 1. Mix well. 2. In a separate mixing bowl, beat the eggs and then add the milk, vegetable oil and Turkish coffee powder. 2. Mix well. 3. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, stirring constantly to combine. 4. Pour the batter into a greased and floured 8-inch round cake pan. 5. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 6. While the cake is still warm, poke holes all over the top with a toothpick and pour the honey over it. 6. Let it cool down completely. 7. Dust powdered sugar over the top of the cake before serving. This honey-soaked Turkish coffee semolina cake is a perfect choice for coffee lovers as well as those who enjoy sweet and aromatic desserts. The semolina gives the cake a nutty texture and the honey adds a touch of sweetness. This recipe is easy to make and can be enjoyed at any time of the day, as a breakfast or a dessert.